Alright guys, just wrapped up this 2021 Sierra 1500. It's got the 4-inch BDS Elite system on it. It's going to come with the 2.5 Fox coilover conversion. You see it does come with the upper control arms as well. You're going to have your high speed and low speed adjustments here. You're going to have the same thing on the rear also. 35, 11, 50, 20 Toyo AT3s. Very minor trimming. Trim in the bottom of the valence here. Some of your inner plastics right through here. See if I can get you in here a little bit better. Yeah, right through here we had to trim just a little bit. And then nothing on the rear. Everything clears fine now. This kit will clear 1250. Sometimes on the 1250s I do have to clearance the back of the mud flat just a little bit. We also added 3/8 of an inch of preload on the coilovers. This kit does tend to sit a little bit nose down, so we adjusted it up just ever so slightly. When you do the 2.5 series on the rear, you do route the resi between the frame and the bed. Mounts outboard the frame. Looks really awesome like that. It also gives you a really easy adjustment point here. This kit does a 3-inch block in the rear. You can see how flat those angles are. The axles, tie rod, control arm, everything is in a factory-like position. That's going to translate to a better alignment, better ride quality, and keep from having accelerated wear on your suspension components. Alright guys, that's going to be it on this one. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, stay tuned for more.